Joining me today on NYSE Floor Talk is Gil Geron. He is the co-founder and CEO at Orca Security. Gil, it is fantastic to have you here. Thanks for joining me today.
Thank you for having me. I'm glad to be here.
It's my pleasure. So now let's start off by talking about the company. What is Orca Security?
Orca Security is a cloud security platform that allows you to protect your cloud environment, whether it is on AWS, Azure, GCP, AliCloud, or Oracle. Basically, everywhere you have cloud resources, we allow you to protect your resources, make sure you are segmented from risk.
All right, so now there's a distinct trend towards organizations consolidating their technology investments around platforms. How do you believe Orca Security is positioned to benefit from this trend?
So whenever there's a trend, I try to understand what are the causes of the trend or what's propels the trend. And I think companies are trying to make sure that their security program is more effective. To do that, you need to make sure you have the right tooling, but you can't have too much because it creates more risk and more friction when you have a lot of tooling. And so the trend is to try to consolidate them into one platform to understand the root cause of an issue, how to fix the issue, and to try to look at it from all angles instead of one. And so it's not around consolidation of billing, it's around consolidation of tooling.
Now, cloud security is a rapidly growing field with new threats and challenges emerging all the time. Now, tell me, how do you stay ahead of these trends?
So there's only one way, which is to constantly pound on innovation. Orca released hundreds of features in the last year. We are constantly trying to leverage that new technologies and new techniques to make sure that teams are more effective in securing their environments. And so there's only one way, which is to provide the right tool to do that.
So AI continues to transform industries. How else is Orca leveraging AI to help its customers manage cloud security risk?
We are the first security company that embedded GPT into the platform. And what we did is that we used it in order to make teams more effective by translating, by communicating better. So you can basically ask any question in the platform and translate it into a security practice. You can generate code remediation from the platform immediately to allow engineers to prevent issues from reaching to production. We even partnered with Azure, with AWS and GCP with their own GPT initiatives in order to allow customers the choice to use the right platform, the right technology to secure their environments.
Now, Gil, tell me, how is Orca Security different from others that are in this space, and how do you see Orca Security evolving in the coming years?
We are separating ourselves and we are evolving by a very clear mission. We are to make cloud security easy. And we are trying to do it by making teams more effective, by leveraging a smart platform, and by creating a workflow to secure your cloud. And so that conviction in making these trends in the product and in the market allows us to replace countless of legacy vendors and legacy deployments with a modern, best-of-breed solution that allows you to protect your cloud.
All right, well, Gil, it's been wonderful to talk with you. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk today.
Thank you for having me.